Hello and welcome. I'm Courtney from Magic Moon Nails, and I'm here to share with you a look at what's inside Maniology's Rebel Yell Stamping Starter Kit. Hello, thank you for joining me. Today I'm opening the Rebel Yell Stamping Starter Kit from Maniology, which they are currently offering for free to anyone who is new to Maniology. All you have to do is pay for the shipping and handling. And if you're an existing Maniology customer, you can get one of their starter kits for 50% off, which makes the price only $9.50. And they have 5 different kits to choose from, and I will go ahead and leave a link to the kits in the description below if you want to go ahead and check those out. Each kit comes with 2 stamping plates, 2 stamping polishes, 1 clear see-through stamper, and 1 mini scraper card. This first plate is M017. This plate is called Radio Riot, and it's mainly music themed designs. I really like this one. I'm excited to try it out. This next plate is M016. This plate is called Level Up, and this plate definitely has a gamer fangirl theme to it. I'm excited to try this one out too. Next, there's a Maniology stamping guide that's included. See, it has instructions on how to get started with nail stamping. As well as some helpful tips and tricks. And if you're new to nail stamping and having any trouble, just please don't give up and practice, practice, practice. It honestly just takes what methods, products, and techniques work best for you personally. And once you get the hang of it, you'll love it. And that's helpful. I like that guide. Next is the mini scraper card. Oh, I like this. I'm ready to try that out. Next is the clear see-through ice cube stamper. Plenty of room for my nails. I'll definitely have to give it a try, but my all-time favorite stamper is from Bliss Kiss, and I'll leave a link to that down below as well because you'll probably want to try it. Now it's time to check out the polishes. We'll go for this one. This first polish is called Yummy Gummy. Nice little swatch me sticker. And this is a creamy lilac color. It's really pretty. The second polish is called Mirror Mirror, And this is a silver chrome-like polish. Overall, I am very happy with the items that are included with the starter kit, and I'm really excited to try them out, so let's go ahead and do that. Here are the final results. Thanks again for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up, and to make sure that you don't miss any future videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments. Sending you all much peace and love. Bye.